Meaning of frame tent.
Frame tent.
Frame tent.
Frame tent.
Frame tent. A frame tent is a type of outdoor temporary shelter that is supported by a metal or aluminum frame, rather than being anchored to the ground with stakes like traditional tents. The frame provides a stable structure and allows for flexibility in terms of setup location. These tents are often used for events such as weddings, festivals, and outdoor exhibitions. They can come in a variety of sizes and shapes and offer protection from the elements. Overall, a frame tent is a versatile and practical option for outdoor shelter needs.